G'day trendsetters, and welcome to another edition of 3 Minute Monday. And in today's 3 Minute Monday, I think it's pretty safe to say that the ginger has had it for the year. But why I'm here is that I live in a warm, temperate climate, not subtropical or tropical, which is where ginger is best grown. Because of that, because of two things, I planted that one, a little bit late, waiting for the little shoots and everything to become active before I put it into the ground. And secondly, because I planted it late, I don't think it's grown very big. And thirdly, because we are in a warm temperate climate, I want to overwinter it and grow it as a biennial crop. So I planted it mid-October last year. It'll grow, I'll overwinter, and it'll grow, and it should get away a lot quicker and a lot earlier because it's already in the ground, it's ready to go. There is a few things I need to do now that it has died right back. One is I just want to add a good bucket of compost. Just put it to bed for winter basically. This will also help protect it from any really cold weather, like pulling over a warm blanket on a cold night. And a layer of mulch. Our winters aren't that wet, so I shouldn't have any problem with rot or anything like that. And come spring, when the weather does warm up, I will rake this mulch away so as the sun can get onto the soil and warm it up, and hopefully the ginger will become active a lot sooner and quicker. But for now I need it to protect it from the harshness of a winter. Now, and the other thing is this one here I just bought from the supermarket, and it is showing signs of some nice little activity at the ends of the buds, but way too soon to plant. I'll store it in a nice warm place inside the house, and as soon as I see this one start sticking a little shoot up out the ground, these will go in. Same treatment, a good bucket of compost and mulch, and away we go. And we'll feed them all up, and next year I will harvest that one. I think I'll make it a triennial, so every 3 years, but next year I'll harvest that one. This one will go in, I'll pinch a bit off of that one, plant it back in, so every 3 years it'll cycle around, and hopefully out of each clump I'll have enough ginger for me for a year. And just for a fun fact, how much do you reckon that cost? I don't know what it was per kg, but this one was $7.60. Good idea to grow your own ginger. You can grow it in pots if you only got a balcony, a good sized pot, 400ml pot or something like that, and stick your ginger in mid-September in a sunny spot. About half fill the pot, stick your ginger in, fill the rest of the pot up with good quality potting mix, and you'll have ginger in a pot. But for me, in the ground, every 3 years I will harvest. There you go. Thanks for watching. Cheers, please like and subscribe, and bye for now.